Hey, the action today is Blackwell. What is Blackwell? It's the newest chip. It's a GPU that NVIDIA introduced today at its keynote speak in San Jose. Obviously, NVIDIA updates this platform every 2 years, and it's going to replace, Blackwell is going to replace the old platform, Hollow. I believe it's Hollow. It's important to understand that you need more compute power, and they're trying to stay ahead of the market, so they're telling people it's going to be available at the end of the year. It'll be a big deal. It's bigger. It's a bigger platform. It combines more energy, more power, more compute power. It's built by Taiwan Semiconductor, so obviously Taiwan becomes even more important as NVIDIA continues to double down on its relationship with Taiwan Semiconductor. You're going to see a lot of advancement here from AMD and others that use these chips. It's an arms race, and I can tell you it's a big deal. And if you look at the old chips versus the new ones, the question is, what's the performance going to be like? You got to check it out. I check out the keynote speak today from the CEO of NVIDIA. It'll be important to understand that this race is not even close to being over. It's just the first inning, in my opinion. We're just getting into the first inning.